Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. So before I start this video, I want you to know that we initially booked this hotel for one night. But after reaching at this property, we liked it so much that we extended it by one more night. Now if you want to know why we extended it, then please watch the complete video till the end. Now before you make your reservations for the Rixos resort, there are two properties with the same name. The one you see on your screen is the Rixos Sharm El Sheikh, and the one which we will show here and we stayed is the Rixos Premium Seagate Sharm El Sheikh. This is the reception area of the Rixos resort. And I don't know why somehow this central piece in the reception reminds me of the Atlantis Dubai reception. If you feel the same, then let me know in the comment section also. There are a few shops as well, and what you can buy from there I will tell you later in the video. During our check-in, they provided us this map of the complete property and 2 wristbands as a souvenir. Now this map is going to come handy a lot of times, so do save it with you. Now as we entered through the corridor, this was the lobby seating area where you can rest or have some drinks and enjoy the time while your room is getting ready. So after refreshing ourselves with a drink, we decided to have a complete tour of the property, and they do have a lot of number of golf carts running every minute or every 2 minutes throughout the property to take you from one point to the another bit. And we were beyond amused to see how huge as well as how wonderful the property looked. What I liked most about this property is they offer all-inclusive packages when you book a room with them, which means your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks or any of the meal throughout the day are included. And not just meals, all types of alcoholic, non-alcoholic beverages with unlimited amount are included in your package. The only thing you have to take care here is for the specific restaurants which are not the buffet ones, you always have to make prior reservations to get a table there. After having a complete tour of the property, it was time for us to go into our rooms and have some rest there. We had booked a premium sea view room, so this was on the 2nd floor and with a swimming pool dedicated to our building. So this was the extra benefit which we had, along with the view which I will show you just after completing the room tour. The room size was huge, space, everything was perfectly located. One more important thing with the all-inclusive packages, your mini bar and snacks which are provided in the room are free of cost, and they will be refilled for each night you are staying there. But trust me, you will hardly get time to sit and relax in your room because there is so much to do in this property. But if you are really tired and you want to have some time in your room, you have ample of options to enjoy your time. Now comes my favorite part of the room, the balcony. Balcony size is small, but it's still perfect for 2 people to sit and enjoy the view which is in front of you. We can see the Red Sea from here, the beach and the swimming pool which is part of our building. It was really amazing. After taking some rest in our room, it was time for us to go to the beach side and explore the restaurant and beach shack over there. And the place was so well lit and so beautiful. The sunset was amazing and you can see yourself how beautiful the place looked. And now is the time to show you the place for which Sharm El Sheikh is mostly known for, the aquatic life. So this place also has a direct access to a point where you can go and do snorkeling on your own and enjoy the marine life and see the marine life there. So this was almost a kilometer long bridge which connects the beach of the property to the center of the water where you can go and do your snorkeling. You can walk over this bridge or the golf cart also takes you from the beach to the snorkeling point. Now since it was already sunset time and after sunset they don't allow you to go into the water, so this was their closing time. So we just had a trip and wanted to see how exactly the place was like, and thus we decided to have our snorkeling activities tomorrow for the second day. And so for that evening we simply just enjoyed the sunset views and let the beauty of this place soak into our minds so beautifully. This was really something beyond our imagination. During the night time, this place was bright and beautiful at another level. Since this was the time when FIFA World Cup was also going on, they had set up a great fan zone for people to enjoy the match and have drinks and snacks. Since it was our wedding anniversary that day, so we had booked a table at one of their restaurant to did some little celebration for us. And I should emphasize more on this fact that you must reserve a table for your restaurant of choice before you even arrive at the property. Yes, it's that crowded and it's that preferred by people there. So all in all, we had our first day with lot of amusement and celebration, but the night was not yet over. They had a specific disco area where they have some performances and absolutely amazing music for you to celebrate your night and dance around. And now it was time for us to try our hands at snorkeling. First and foremost, the important thing is you buy the necessary equipments for you to have snorkeling from the shop itself at the property. These fins for the legs were provided, the life jacket was provided by the property itself. The only thing we had to buy was the face mask of this kind. So it was my husband's turn. I was really scared for the very first time to go into the water, so he tried first. They had a little wiring also to help you with like moving inside the water if you're not a swimmer, and with the safety jacket on it was easy for him, I would say. He went into the water, get some time there, and after a while when you get comfortable in the water, the only thing you have to do here is just put your head down inside the water only little bit and you can see the amazing coral right there. Yes, you don't have to go deep down into the water, like you don't have to go 10 feet or 12 feet or 20 feet under the water. You just have to put your head down and this is what you will see. The aquatic life, the coral reefs and the fishes are really rich at this place, and that's why this place is known as the world's best spot for snorkeling and scuba diving. So this is how beautiful the view looked. There were big fishes, small fishes, and it was really surreal to have this kind of experience in our lives. There are two more important things which I would like to mention here is, first, This is really very safe. If you are a swimmer, you don't have to worry about anything, and if you are a non-swimmer, then like us, you can also enjoy it. Otherwise, they do have two guides over there who can help you. Like I went with one of the guide. I was not able to go on my own. Other thing is, we didn't find any special scuba diving activities happening at this property, but since you are staying in Rixos Premium Seagate, you can access the other Rixos property also without any hurdle, and there we can find some people who can help you with the scuba diving, with the paid scuba diving activities. And there is also a great water park in the other property which you can access free of cost. And this is precisely the reason we extended our stay by one more day, because literally there are so many things to do when you combined both the properties. After we were done with our snorkeling, we head up to this deck area, enjoyed the water views, and this was really an amazing experience. And then we sat on the beach shack, had some fruits, and literally enjoyed our time. With this, our second day was also over, and we literally loved this place better than any other resort we have ever been to in India or in Dubai also. And when you combine this property along with the views and the water life which is present in Sharm El Sheikh at the Red Sea, there are absolutely no comparison. Let's complete this video right here, and please do not forget to give it a like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel if I helped you in any way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.